Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel DIY Paper Art. Before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Today let's learn to make these flowers. To make a simple flower, you need two pieces of square paper. Take a square paper, fold it into half. Make sure you make a precise fold and fold it along the diagonals. Now, fold the sides to the middle. Do the same on the other side. Now, fold this paper in half. Now, turn it back and fold this part to the center. And also fold this part to the center. Now, open each square so that it makes a nice triangle. Open each square so that it makes nice triangle. And fold it this way. Now let's make one more of the same piece. Take another square paper and make a similar piece. Now we have made two sets of petals. Now take these two petals. For one petal, take a scissors, cut till the middle. And for the other petal, cut from the bottom till the middle. Now Insert the stalk portion to the bottom cut as shown. Now widen your petals. Your flower is now ready. Similarly, make a series of flowers and you can decorate your wall or any other objects at home. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.